He will follow Majok. I can see the young man coming with Majok Guandong is Gatquoth. Gatquoth is the 10-year-old son of our late colleague. He is going to say a few words. I wonder whether you would like to speak before him or him before you. Okay. That was. Take the mic.
All the mourners gathered here, I greet you all in the name of the Lord and of my Father. To others he might be a leader, a friend, but to me he was a father, friend, and king. I'm calling him a king because when he greets me, he calls me a king. I know all of you here are heartbroken because of his depart. My family and I feel like we lost a great man. He was a humble man. No one to brag about his expenses or works. He served this country with a dignity. He never let us down. The relationship I had with my father will forever be a good memory. Whenever one of us was sick, my dad was restless, always made sure we took our medication on time. My mom's job requires her to travel a lot, so my father was always available. He would cook for us one of the best meals per se. He'd wake up early in the morning and prepare us for school, and sometimes help us with schoolwork and projects. Because of you, Dad, we grew up in an environment full of harmony, love, peace, and unity. Rest in power, my leader. Fly high, Dad. Rest in glory. We all love you, our King. And all of these words were confided by not only me, but my siblings and I. Shukran jazilan ya watan. Shukran jazilan ya watan. Shukran jazilan ya watan.
شكرا ابن الزعيم gatquoth. ربنا يعطيك الصحة والنصر إلى مرتب أبيك.